Hello everyone. In this clip, we are going to discuss Euclidean distance along with a program to compute the same in Python. Euclidean distance, or simply called ED, is used in facial recognition where distance between pixels can be measured. Object recognition by machine learning frameworks perform computations based upon distance measures and image manipulations. We will in this section learn about some approaches that are used for this purpose. Consider the image of Mona Lisa shown here. Every image as shown in this picture here comprises of pixels in order of varying colors and intensities. The image can be grayscale or colored ones. The pixels are represented in a matrix form and they are represented as points in the plot. In this plot, the points have x and y coordinates that dictate its position on the plane. Now the distance between these points can be computed by the Euclidean distance method. A squared Euclidean distance is of central importance in estimating parameters of statistical models. This is a standard method used in most regression analysis as well. The ED is referred to as a Pythagorean metric and L2 norm since it computes square of distances of the coordinates. In simple words, ED is square root of sum of the square difference of x and the square difference of y coordinates or the variables. In the Python program given here, we have 2 points P1 and P2 with coordinates 3, 4 and 8, 9. So we take the sum of 8 minus 3 whole square and 9 minus 4 whole square. The sum is again taken through square root to result with 7.07 as the Euclidean distance or the ED across these 2 points. Thanks for listening and watching.